What up, Crypto Warriors? It's Sergeant Crypto back at it again. And here to talk about what if I invested $1,000 in February 2017 into crypto? Would I already have a Lambo? So this is what somebody made on the internet, you know, 1 Bitcoin in 2012, 1 Bitcoin in 2013, 1 Bitcoin in 2014, and they're predicting Lambos for everybody with 1 Bitcoin by 2020. 2020 is a big year in Bitcoin because that's the year of the halving in. All right, but before I get into all that, please don't forget to smash that like button and hit that subscribe button if you're new around here, and the notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video. So let's get into it, people. All right, so right here I'm looking at an historical snapshot, February 26, 2017. I said an historical, that doesn't go right, all right? A historical snapshot. My bad. All right, February 26, 2017, and we're going to take a quick look, and you can see that the top 10 coins changed. Just been some change in the top 10 coins, all right, since last year. But if we go to my handy dandy percentage calculator here, and say I invested in, what's that, Ripple last year at half a penny, and the all-time high for Ripple was $3.30. So $3.30, we're gonna do 1,000 times 65,900%. All right, whoa, it's too much, way too much. 1,000 times 65, boom, there it is. All right, so basically $660,000. all right, we'll just round up. So, you know, pretty much, and that's just, you know, off $1,000 in 1 year. Now we could sit here and, you know, go do what ifs all day long on all these different cryptocurrencies. If you did, you know, Bitcoin at 1,000 by the end of the year, if you timed it right, you would have gotten 20,000. Ethereum by the end of the year was what's that, like $13 to $1,400, right? So, you know, we could do this one too, 1353. All right, 1353 to, well, let's go 1,300. All right, and then you multiply that real quick, the 9,508% by, you see, 1,000 by 9,508. All right, so that's $95,000 in 1 year. So like I said, we could sit here and, you know, what if, and, you know, time machine this and time machine that all we want. The point I'm trying to get at is holding on to your crypto. All right, picking a project, doing a little research. All right, because if you knew about Ethereum back then and the potential it had, you know, for as a platform, not just a currency, but as a platform, then you probably would have said, you know what, forget Bitcoin at $1,000. You know, let me just put my 1,000 in this, and, you know, you saw the results. All right, or, you know, you're looking at XRP. You say, hey, these guys, you know, they're not quote unquote crypto, right? But they're making a lot of deals with banks. They're getting a lot of government clearance. I want to say that doesn't sound right, but, you know, they're making a lot of deals with banks, and they're, you know, like getting cleared through the SEC and, you know, the government and the IRS. Like, you know, they're making a lot of deals, basically, not just U.S. banks, but, you know, banks around the world. right? So you say, okay, this is what they're doing, this is what it costs, I'm gonna drop $1,000 on it. All right, and you saw the results. Okay, so to do some awesome research, you could come to this website, CoinCheckup. And if you come to CoinCheckup, let's go to the overview real quick, and you just pick a coin out. All right, I just had it on Tron, because this is my second time recording this video. But you know, we'll go to EOS this time, another platform play, right? So boom. So you know, it's $8.44 per coin, or it's a coin, right? Yeah. And you know, the cool thing about CoinCheckup is they have a rating system, and they have a prediction system. They talk about the investment. They analyze the coins for you already. All right, and you could do your research right here on this one website. So doing your research and taking that $1,000 and holding it till the end of the year in, you know, one or two of these cryptocurrencies. I'm not saying you have to invest $1,000 into, you know, the top 5, or, you know, you choose 5 and then you invest 1,000 into each. You could split it up. You could say, okay, if all I have is $1,000, well, I'll choose 5 and I'll, you know, put 200 into 5 different currencies and just hodl. Don't even worry about what the market does. You know, if it goes up, down, sideways, upside down, whatever the hell it does, you just hold on to your coins. All right, because you did your research and you believe in them. So, you know, they have a grading system here. You know, so, you know, open communication channels, and 100%, you know, is based on, you know, ability to contact the company via Slack, Telegram. You know, there it is. They gave them the max points. They gave them the max points for this right here. You know, 50% for the social media activity. Team strength is at 41%, and they tell you, you know, why they grade them that way. You know, based on different things. All right, different parameters that they have set. You know, they even gave them a 0 for this one. I don't know why, but you know, 0% for advisory board strength. I guess they have nobody on the advisory board, or they just suck. Brand awareness and buzz. So, like, you know, you could come here and really, you know, dive deep into some coins, man, and just take your time and do some research and take that $1,000 and just, you know, invest wisely. You know, I remember saying at one point before, and this is before I really knew what was going on, hey, you could just take your money, you know, take a dart and, you know, just throw it at any cryptocurrency and that shit will go up. You know what I mean? That was stupid. That's just gambling. You know, and as they say, you do get wiser with time. And in crypto, you know, a month is like a year. So I've been in it like 3 months now. So it's what, like three years? You know what I mean? So it's crazy how much you learn in such a short period of time. And we learn not to watch the actual prices, but the market cap. It's a $5 billion market cap. So does it have some room to grow? Yeah, because of the type of coin that it is. It's a platform coin, and you know, you could definitely see, you know, you could build dApps, a digital currency enterprise, as a platform. So look how they break it down for you right here on this website. So if you want to take your $1,000 and, you know, just, you know, throw it away by just, you know, quote unquote investing in, you know, coins that are cheap, all right, with not just, you know, low market caps, but just cheap as far as per coin or per token price, then you could go ahead and do that. Or you could actually look at some, you know, different coins, and they might be a little bit pricier or have a higher market cap. However, they have, you know, good plans, and you could go to their roadmap, and, you know, there's just different things, and coming and checking out this website and doing your research, man. All right, they even have like predictions and things like that for the coin. So here, we'll go to the predictions real quick. So this is M0. the EOS price prediction based on worldwide money flows. So M0 is the total of all physical currency plus accounts at the central bank which can be exchanged for physical currency. So M0. Here's M0 right here. If the money comes in, it could go up to $40 per freaking coin. So M1 is measure M0 plus the amount in demand accounts, including check or current accounts. So M1, they're saying that at 32%, it could go up to $226. And then M2, measure M1 plus most saving accounts, money market accounts, and certificate of deposit CD accounts of under $100,000. And there it is. So this is what they're saying if it goes up to 32% of M2. Alright, so just come here, play around, use the site, do some good research, and pick out your coins, man, and take that $1,000 and invest it wisely. All right, stay away from lending platforms and things of that nature. Okay, and within the year, you'll see some massive gains. So if that's not your thing and you want to start day trading, I say you need to come follow this guy, Eric Chow, at Crypto Chow on Twitter, or Philocone at Philocone Crypto on Twitter. Philocone has a YouTube channel and he teaches people how to read Elliott waves, how to read the graphs and plot graphs and all that stuff and the charts. All right, and Eric Chow, he's always tweeting out great things on charts and things of that nature. All right, so these are two guys that I'm obviously following on Twitter, and I do watch Philocone's videos on YouTube to learn more about day trading. So the reason why I brought that up is this right here. So if you in 365 days, 1 year, if you take $1,000 and you start day trading and you earn 2% daily interest every single day, 24/7 for 365 days, you could take that $1,000 and this is what it'll turn into, $1.3 million. All right, so you can either day trade and have a goal like, hey, I'm gonna make 2% every day, or you could do just like based on historical stuff. All right, on CoinMarketCap here, you can see it. These coins, look at Litecoin, look at Bitcoin, look at Ethereum, XRP, Dash, my goodness, right? So look at your coins, see which ones you want to invest in, come to CoinCheckup, all right, and pick out your coins, man. Pick out your coins and invest wisely. Do your research on CoinCheckup. They do a lot of the research for you. They have a charting system, all right, and just see where things will go, based on their predictions, and just put it in and don't worry about it. Leave it and say, hey, I'm gonna leave it for a year and not even look at it again until the end of the year or until February 2019 or whatever the case is. All right, so you guys let me know what you're going to be doing, man. If you're going to be following Philocone and Eric Chow and trying to day trade and get that 2% daily, or you're just going to get the crypto of your choice, maybe 1 to 5 coins, and just invest that grand and just let it sit for the rest of the year. You let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash that like button. All right, also hit that subscribe button if you're new around here, and that notification bell. This has been your boy Sergeant Crypto. I'm out. Peace.